You have to forgive any background noises you might hear. I've got the air conditioner and a bunch of fans going, trying to keep it cool. It's really heating up in July in the Carolinas. In the last video, I fixed the bad solder connection between these two resistors. And I've gone through down here, some of the controls, and I'm up here looking at some of these capacitors. And I replaced my replacements for 0.00025 microfarad capacitors. Put these in, which were closer, and I believe this is a huge mistake right here. It's supposed to be 50 microfarads, and I put in a 470. So maybe if I find a replacement for that, maybe that'll fix problems. Alright, this capacitor wasn't as big as I thought, but it registered higher in circuit. Out of circuit, there's only 0.14 nanofarads, so it's still 140 microfarads, which is considerably higher than 50. I'll still try to find a replacement and see if it makes a difference. Yeah, just for fun, I tried to make my own 50 microfarad capacitor, and this is what I got. This is only 70, so yeah, I'd still have to add more to it. So I'm gonna have to break down and actually buy some parts. So this is just to see if I could do it, but apparently nope, can't. I put some gator clips on each side of where the capacitor goes, because about 10 seconds from now I would have forgotten. So I'll start ordering some parts, and I'll keep on looking at other areas of the radio while I wait. Kind of good news and bad news. Good news is I got the 50 picofarad capacitors that I needed, so I don't have to use that crazy thing I soldered together. I never would have used that anyway. That was just for fun to see if it was possible to make it work. But, yeah. And I got the electrolytics and other capacitors I would need to get this thing revived and going. It already plays, so that's half the battle right there. The bad news is, while we were waiting for all the parts to arrive, two pipes in our kitchen burst and wiped out our new wood floor we just put in 2 years ago. So our beautiful new floor is now in a dumpster somewhere. But if you haven't, now we're in the drying out process of just getting all the water, everything up. And if you never experienced it, this is what it kind of looks and sounds like. All that equipment is using a lot of juice in the house. I mean, if you turn on the coffee maker or hair dryer, it blows the circuit, and you got to flip the circuits back. And so I'm sure a soldering iron would probably do the same thing. So for now, this can be put on hold until we get the floor all situated. At least get all the electronics out. And yeah, it's a loud, hot mess. Literally. And so hopefully we'll get that done this week, and I can get next weekend started on this again. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.